Okay, fifth graders, so tonight your homework is writing basic algebraic expressions. Make sure you're looking up here at the top where it's talking about addition, and it's going to give you some big hints like sum, difference, product, quotient, those same things that we've been working on in class. And you can see how this would be written numerically. This is with that variable, so this is what we're going to be focusing on today. Notice right here that this is a division symbol also, so it could be written as 18 divided by z as well. Either one is appropriate because we remember with fractions that 1/2 is actually the same as 1 divided by 2, when if you do it on a calculator it will give you 0.5 every time. Alright, so what is the sum of a and 8? So we need to look up here if you're not sure what a sum is, so we know that we're going to be adding. So we want a plus 8 on that one. And if it's an expression, it's not going to have an equal sign, so we got to make sure that we leave that equal sign off. What is the product of y and t? Product, remember, is that multiplying? Y and 10. Now, in the older grades, they're going to start doing it this way, y and a dot and a 10. Can you see why? And when I look at this, the times sign starts to look like an X, so it gets confusing. So sometimes you'll see it written this way, or sometimes you'll just see right next to it, as they did in this example. So when you see a letter right next to a number, that indicates multiplication. This is fine for 5th grade, but just so that you're aware that there are other ways to write multiplication. What do you get when you subtract 9 from b? That's kind of giving us some big hints. 9 minus b. Don't write equals today because these are expressions, not equations. What is c divided by 22? So we can write that as a fraction if we want to. Or you can also write it, whoops, I wrote it backwards, sorry. C divided by 22. What is 10 decreased by p? To decrease means to make smaller. So 12 minus p on that one. Rewrite each phrase as an algebraic expression. C multiplied by 5, or a dot if you want to, or C right next to 5. Going across, 10 is larger than y. 10 larger than y, so 10 plus y for that one. 9 less than e, less than is subtract. Triple r, so 3 times r or 3r. P divided by 4, or p over 4. Quadruple f, so 4f, or 4 times f. And then our last one. Write your answer to each, I keep saying the word each. Write your answer to the word problem in the form of an algebraic expression. There are X students trying out for a solo in the chorus concert. Only 6 will be chosen. How many students will not be chosen? Six will be chosen. So we need to figure out, well, we're not solving for x today, but x is what we don't know. We just know that 6 will not, that there will only be 6, but the question was how many will be or not be chosen. So if we subtract 6 from x, we should figure out how many will not be chosen there. There are Y students who volunteered to pull weeds in the school garden. The principal said that she wishes she had 3 times as many volunteers. How many volunteers would the principal like? She wants 3 times as many as she has, and we called that Y. So she wants 3 times Y, or 3Y. All right, thanks for working with me today.